Thank you so much, Rodney, for inviting me here. I'm really, really happy to be speaking to you students. I love my students, I love all students because I feel that I want to give back. I have had a wonderful career, and all of you have your lives and your careers ahead of you. So I want you all to know that I was the first person in my family to go to college. I didn't know anybody in art direction. I was a painter at Cooper Union. I graduated having no marketable skills, and for the first 5 years after I graduated, I did a whole bunch of things because I needed a job. Anyway, finally I found my way into my very first design job. I was It was like that scene in Moonstruck where Cher slaps Nicolas Cage across the face and, says, "Get over it," or "Snap out of it," or something like that. What? A book? So, it put an idea in my mind, and I started looking around, and no one had done a book on typographic tattoos. Now, it's very rare to find a completely original idea in this world. It's perfectly fine to do a new twist on an old idea, and much wonderful art comes about in that way. But no one had actually done this. So I started collecting more images, and long story short, because I do have so much to talk to you about tonight.